Hello, this is Dr. Kerr. Welcome to Asante Academy talks about Chinese medicine. Now I'm talking about Chinese herbs. Chinese herbs as part of major sort of Chinese medicine, and we probably including more than 10,000 plants we use and in our sort of whole ranges of herbal medicine. And the Chinese herbs, there are something very basic, just like food. For example, rice, ginger, and those things as also we eat them, daily as a food. But some of them maybe as a sort of a less used medicine, or some of them maybe slightly poisonous. So like echinacea. But anyway, so the Chinese medicine, when we're using the herb medicine, number one is the way we study those plants. Obviously, in the Western medicine, in the science medicine, the way the researched plants is to find out what chemicals or what chemical compounds of those plants consist of, and then what each compound can use them, which is fine. But then, and then they use them sort of like, for example, aspirin, they come from like, there's a similar compound with willow tree bark, but aspirin is different from willow tree bark. So because it's only one of the compounds. But Chinese medicine, we use the whole things together in our medicine to help people, because we believe that what we can eat as a plant, or the plant can make us feel good or nourish us, is whole things together. It's not only one thing. Such as if you say eating rice, although we all know rice consists of mainly is the sugar and starch, but of course we are not only eating the rice, but we are eating many other things in our ingredients of rice. So the Chinese herbs we normally use as a whole of Chinese medicine. So to help the people as use them the whole ingredients. But the way we classify them, it's not like what compounds. We classify them as what kind of nature of each plant. Say there's hot or cold. For example, if you eat ginger, if you eat chili, you feel hot. If you eat something opposite, let's say like water crescent or watermelon, they can make your body cooler, so to reduce the heat. So therefore, we classify them plants into either hot or cold category. Some of them can be very hot, some of them can be less hot, some of them can be very cold, some of them less cold. So from those categories, and then we can see what condition those herbs can to balance the body, can be used to balance the body. So therefore, the Chinese herbs, the way we use them, are very different from Western medicine. So this is something I'd like you to know.